Hey there, this is about the Q&A of transaction.atomic and the context managers. So there is one video which I try to explain the code like how it flows, but yeah, this is like kind of Q&A. The first question is like, what is a context manager? So if I want to explain in like simple terms, an object with dunder method enter and dunder method exit is a context manager. We usually use with when we are doing with file handling. So it automatically handles the opening and closing. So on entry, it guarantees that the enter will be called and on success or failure, the exit will be called. So that is the advantage of with. If you don't use it, you have to manually do it. That's the point. And next thing is like, so what does transaction.atomic guarantee? So you write transaction.atomic. What does it guarantee? Uh, it's straightforward. Like it is all or nothing DB operations. So nothing more than that. So it commits on clean, exit, and rollbacks on exception. So it is enforced via context manager protocol. Next thing is, okay, now you write transaction.atomic. Inside it you called an external API. Okay. Now for example, if the transaction got rolled back, but the external API is already called, so how do you handle this? This is the third question. You handle this by writing transaction.onCommit. So what transaction.onCommit does is, as you are writing in transaction.atomic, only after DB is saved, like the save is successful in DB, the transaction.onCommit, what it will call the external API or it will call the external sources, like whatever you want to do after the successful commit. In case of failure, it will never call. So that is the thing. So this is all about it. Context managers and transaction.atomic. The next thing that I want to talk about is n+1 query problem in Django in the next video.